Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Ram 1500 Classic SLT. Comes equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as truck hero tonneau cover, sport hood, tubular running boards, Bridgestone tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior here, we're going to have this black and gray interior with lots of extra paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom, speakers right next to it. That's coming up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome handle and the gray accents, as well as the Ram badging. There's tubular running boards here as well, and the 40-60-40 cloth bench seat, pretty comfortable. Left side, you have your vents and your lighting control there. And left side of the steering wheel will be your odometer cluster control and voice recognition. And the right side will be your cruise control here. Now for the odometer, you can pretty much access all your vehicle information. Go down. Including your gauges and your trip information here, as well as you can access your fuel economy, trip A, trip B, and as well as you can see your audio, navigation, stored messages, and all that fun stuff. Classic key, classic dial shifter, 2 and 4 wheel drive, and here we go into the infotainment system. You're going to have just Bluetooth connectivity with built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and Uconnect, as well as you can access your backup camera here. And of course, you're going to see navigation with your map built in. Oh, my bad. Climate controls on the bottom there with your tow and haul mode, as well as a 12 volt right there. Some extra storage, another 12 volt, and on the bench split seat here. So you're going to have in the center console 2 more USB ports, as well as some storage. And you can also lift up the seat. No tab or anything back down, just folds coming right back down. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, and that Ram badging, double glove box, more some storage, speakers and vents up top, and then here you can access your reading lamps and your power rear sliding window. You're gonna have these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone dual all-terrain tires. You're gonna have the sport hood, blacked out badging and mirror caps and door handles as well. Coming to the back, you're gonna have the truck hero flex tonneau cover, trailer hitch on the bottom, the exhaust with bed tie downs, and as well as this mat. It's a very spacious rear. Alright, moving on to the rear interior. Lots of extra storage and paneling again on the bottom next to the speaker. More of that Ram badging, power window. Hop in the back, pretty decent leg room. Storage behind the passenger driver's side. Ventilation on the bottom, so is the cup holders. This whole bench seat flips up. Lamps behind you, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2021 Ram 1500 Classic SLT, equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, as well as Bridgestone dual all-terrain tires, truck hero tonneau cover, sport hood, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.